Plenty of restaurants and places to eat at. A lot of condos and restaurants this way. We have Ocean Beach Hotel right here you can stay at. It looks like people are eating. Beautiful view. Look at the amazing and beautiful sounds of the ocean. Statue of the lifeguard. Welcome to Ocean Beach Pier, guys. Hey, good afternoon, San Diego, my fellow San Diegans. Hope you're all having a beautiful, blessed day today. We are in Ocean Beach, California. About 10-minute drive from downtown. This beach has its own vibe as well. As you can see, we're here on Newport Avenue. Plenty of restaurants and places to eat at. A lot of condos and restaurants this way as well on Newport Beach. Look at that amazing, beautiful view. We will take a walk down here in a bit. Let's go take a journey down to the beach. There's a rock dedicated to the veterans. We have Ocean Beach Hotel right here you can stay at. It looks like people are eating. Beautiful view. Amazing Pacific Ocean. Looks like some good waves today. You can see beautiful day. The sand isn't big as Mission Beach or other beaches, but hey, it still is beautiful. And what better than being out in nature, being at peace, looking at the ocean. You have a lifeguard station, OB Surf Lodge, good stuff. Looks like too you can go San Diego surf school, so if you don't know how to surf, yeah, people here who can teach you how to surf. Let's go check out this water. Look at the amazing and beautiful sounds of the ocean here. Ocean Beach. And you have the surfers. Let's go. I bet you it's cold as always. Let's go see what this water feels like. It's gonna be super cold, man. Whew. All right. Yep, still cold. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, condos over there. Hello, how are you doing? They have a Coast Guard boats, maybe tour boats going out. Look how peaceful this is. I'd say it's about 72 degrees outside. It's amazing. I love this nature. Feels good. Good feeling. Beautiful day, guys. It's sunny San Diego. Yeah, water is super cold though. Super cold. Birds just chilling. Yeah, it's like a little park. You can, like, they're playing games. You can barbecue, picnic at. Amazing. A lot of different coffee and cafe shops, as you can see. one more look at this ocean view before we head on over to the pier. Really want to wash my feet. Oh, here you go. Let's go head on over to the pier now. Statue of a lifeguard. That's cool. A memorial for all the lifeguards who appreciate you for saving lives. Here we are now, Ocean Beach Fishing Pier. Let's go. Let's let that journey begin, baby. There's like an old run-down apartment over here. Imagine just living there looking at the view every single day. It's beautiful. Looks like a Navy ship all the way over there. Amazing view. Brother right here blowing some bubbles. Cool. Good, beautiful, windy day to be blowing some bubbles. Surfers. Waiting for some waves. Yeah, let's look at all that ocean, guys. Amazing. I got people over there walking their dog. Cool little place to chill if you're living up there on the hill. Getting a good view of the water. Beautiful day for sailing. Young man fishing. Yeah, let's go check out this cafe at the end. Amazing view at the end of Ocean Beach Pier. There you go, he got a fish. He got a fish. That's a fat seagull. Got more houses over there. Awesome.
Increases your likelihood.
It's one thing about Southern California. A lot of palm trees everywhere. Philippines has the coconut trees. San Diego has the palm trees. Well, how are you doing, sir? The weather's really perfect today. Yesterday it was really overcast, cloudy, cold, windy. Perfect. Great sunshine and not too hot. Let's go over recycling bin. Awesome.
Yeah, it's a lottery because there's so many people that you have to qualify.
Yeah, more people fishing out here. Fisherman's Landing. That's cool. And the cafe, red, white, and blue. Awesome. Welcome to Ocean Beach Pier, guys. Small little cafe and bait gift shop. That's amazing, overlooking the water. Yo, imagine working out here every day. Hello. Imagine working out here every single day. Such a blessing. Breakfast, a lot of seafood items. Hello. Walking on Water Cafe. Sweet. Fish and chips. Personal aircraft flying. Yeah, look how like greenish color the water is here. Greenish blue. Yeah, more people fishing and overlooking the coast, relaxing, enjoying the beautiful day, looking at this beautiful view. Look at this, guys. We have a plane taking off from San Diego Airport. Cafe right here. Plenty of houses overlooking the water. Alright, San Diego world, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Ocean Beach Pier and beach. Till next time, much love, peace.